Okay, guys, we are back at it with RIME as this is picking up to the top of the most list with almost 300 million in volume right now. We're going to dive in a bit deeper to give everybody a better understanding on this trade, what they're looking into with this company, and get a full understanding on what this is. Okay, getting down from the very bottom of 9 cents, we were talking about RIME in previous videos. I will tell you that this was the safe, easy, early seat. 6 stocks you need to know before everyone else. And yes, this is still down to a massive discount. If I take you back to a daily chart, it really hasn't even begun just yet. There is most recent news coming out on RIME about their closing offering that's added to this bullish sentiment, along with news of a previous partnership that we're going to look into in just a bit so you understand what this is and what they have going on. If you say that you didn't see that video in time, we're also putting out the alerts in the Discord just a few days ago saying RIME at 9 cents or lower. I would even follow up with another alert, giving you in our list of upcoming swings that are all getting bullish right now, saying RIME. Don't miss out on this. 7 to 15% stop loss, same setup, same strategy, every single trade. These things do explode. Don't miss out on this. And everybody in the Discord catches those things on time for the safe, easy, early seat. Diving into BRIME right now, we see that they still have a bit of a gap to fill up to about 16 cents. And some people are, if I show you on a 15-minute chart, still holding this up from where everybody first started buying in when we first put those alerts out. But this the thing about RIME right now. If I show you closer in so you get a better understanding that at this current time, right now it's 12:40 where I'm at, and the markets will be getting ready to close here pretty soon. Now RIME has some more bearish pressure going out. Extra larges, mediums, and smalls. This may be looking like it's the most active, most picked up stock and whatnot, but they have everybody selling out across the board on here. Watch out for your platform because Webull might not be telling you all that over here while it's telling you it's a bigger inflow, but Moomoo is most up to date and most accurate, showing you everybody's getting out across the board. Make sure you are being careful and being up to date. This stock right here, massive in daily short sale volume. Still a high short squeeze potential target on RIME, but they not in the right industry and have the right catalyst to really make them have that big bull run that's really needed. That's going to make the whole world want to rally on it, which is why you have big whales, extra largest selling out after they realize what they're putting themselves into. For those of you who don't know what this is, for one, they have a descending balance sheet overall, and for two, this is the Singing Machine Company, the holdings company with two primary investments. The company owns Semicap Holdings, which is engaged in artificial intelligence enabled global logistics industry, and it owns the Singing Machine Company, which is engaged in the consumer karaoke industry. Semicab is a cloud-based collaborative transportation platform built to achieve the scalability required to predict and optimize millions of loads and hundreds of thousands of trucks to orchestrate collaboration across manufacturers, retailers, distributors, and their carriers. SemiCab uses real-time data from API-based load tendering and pre-built integrations with TMS and ELD partners. It designs and distributes a range of at-home and in-car karaoke entertainment products. Its portfolio is marketed under both proprietary brands and popular licenses, including Carpool Karaoke and Sesame Street. It is also developing a fully integrated in-car karaoke system, which we're about to look further into right now, actually. So, of course, as that closing, the public offering does add to the bullish sentiment real quick. But what everybody was really looking at last month coming out, their recent partnership about how Algorithm's subsidiary Singing Machine has entered into a strategic partnership deal with BYD and Stingray starting in early 2025. This feature will be available in an expanding range of BYD vehicle worldwide vehicles. And welcome anybody joining in on the classroom right now. Currently doing a video on RIME stock For anybody who wants to watch this, I am sharing my screen, and anybody can join in on our Banking with Billy class when we're doing our 24/7 live trading. And I am now offering new member orientations and free training upon entry. Okay, so join in and meet me there and get a full analysis, ask all your questions, the whole shamboozle. Okay, but Singing Machine will be launching a globally available in-car karaoke microphone designed to fully integrate with Stingray karaoke app and BYD's infotainment system in its vehicles. The first of its kind partnership will have enhanced karaoke features and proprietary technology that allows for unique vocal enhancements such as vocal effects and live pitch detection for karaoke scoring. Singing Machine's new microphones, co-developed with BYD Automotive Product Strategy and New Technology Research Institute, will be manufactured by BYD Electronics and are set to debut during Black Friday events in Brazil and Christmas events in Europe starting in early 2025. This feature will be available in an expanding range of BYD vehicles worldwide. Consumers can check their local dealership for the availability. And here's more about the BYD signing a global deal with Stingray. This is back in 2023 to bring their karaoke apps into cars. That's what this is all about. Karaoke cars. For any of you who didn't understand what this was, and that we already done read all that, so I don't want to read through all of this stuff here. But for those of you who didn't know what this was and what you were getting yourself into, if you were thinking about long-term investments and wondering why we have a lot of extra larges and whatnot selling out of this thing all across the board, because lots of people don't really want to be investing into, um, maybe a lot of people don't want to be long-term investing into things like this, making it easier for the trade. Well, so just giving you a general understanding of what you invested into, what you got going on. CNA Technology. And I'm Billy Banks. We'll dive deeper into this one. If you want me to make another video on this one, then hit that like button. Now I know that you want another one. I'll see you guys in the next one then. Happy trade.